What's great about this, it makes a great medium to beginner drone because it's so, you know, the torque's not so crazy right from the start. But I mean, that thing picks up speed insane. I mean, the speed that this thing picks up is just insane. And we're in grass. All right, now let's try some stones here. This should be interesting. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this thing's a monster. This thing's a monster. Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are showing you guys this brushless motor. This is the 001E four-wheel drive RC truck. So let's show you guys what you get. So you guys can pause the video for a couple more features. Alright guys, this is the truck. So nice, very aerodynamic. Nice shocks. As you guys can see, independent. If we turn this corner here, very nice. Protective underbody. Take these pins out to access the battery bay. They also give you 2 batteries. Charging cable, extra accessories in case something breaks, and a manual. This is your remote control. You have speed, steering, on, off, and you control by turning it here. You got your forward, and then press up for reverse and brake, and then you put batteries under in here. So this is what it looks like underneath. Battery wires go over in here. So this is going to be for your battery compartment. So let's see, we're going to open this up here, and your battery is going to go in this side here. So it's going to go just like that. You're going to put your batteries inside here. You're going to run the wires right through here. There's your T connector. And let's see here. Right in here is your power button for on and off. Antenna cable. Oh no, that's for, oh, it looks like it's got some lights in here. So let's go ahead and test it out. It does take 3 AA batteries. So guys, I love when you turn this on. Check this out. Well, first let's always turn your remote on first. Here we go. That sound is so cool. I love that. Very, very cool. All right, let's go ahead and test it. Let's go. It's got very nice headlights, so you guys can drive it at nighttime as well. So it's super fast on a straightaway. The torque is not as fast, so we're gonna get full throttle and to show you. So that's full throttle, but once it gets up to speed, it actually is pretty powerful. As you can see, our grass is pretty tall, so even from a stop, it's got some power. As you guys can see, I mean, it's spinning those tires. Yeah, this thing's really fast. I mean, really fast on pavement. Extremely impressive. I mean, I'm actually really shocked. I mean, look at this tall grass. It's just flying through the grass. It's so fast, that's insane. Oh, so we definitely gotta test this out in an open parking lot sometime. So maybe we'll do an update in 6 months, let you guys know how it's doing. But I'm telling you guys, this grass is tall. There's a monster. So this grass is extremely tall and it can go through it. Look at it, it's even carrying this branch. Look at that. Look at this thing. It's carrying the branch.